inches tall and weighs about 37 pounds. The abduction happened at West Jordan. The suspect was driving a white 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee with license plate F960WA. If you have any information, please call the police at 801-8404-000 or simply dial 911.
Nice choice.